This is a 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and all new tires. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic locking wheel hubs, a security system, dusk-sensing headlights, heated side view mirrors, and aluminum wheels. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Herlong Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 775 Augusta Road in Edgefield.